guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day. I'll be going to YSL Beauty Valentine's Masterclass at Brown Thomas, hosted by the amazing Frederick. And it's like very on brand on this time of the year to be very glam, romantic, and very YSL. So I'll be bringing you guys along with me for the entire experience. So before we get into the glam, let's just take a second and acknowledge the Dublin weather. I mean, what is it? It's absolute miserable outside. I'll just show you guys. Yes, so it's been raining for the past, I think, 3 weeks now. It's cold, it's wintry, it's rainy. So, yeah, I guess we have to cope this and go for the event. Check site is 360 years. Yes.
It's like a mousse. It becomes almost thicker. Yeah. And you would think that by doing this, bringing you into an area where it's going to make you feel like you're almost like I've been riding a marathon. It's like you don't want that. You want a look where it's well balanced. Now, once we have done that, you see the purpose of this is to get like a perfection. Just pick it up slowly and progressively. That creates something that is not stepping the mark with regards to the makeup that we're going to create. Blend it. So the name of this palette which I'm choosing here, you were asking me about color. So the placement of the base. Yes.